Jigsaw Nursery was established in January 2007 in Abu Dhabi with a mission to provide a top-quality early years education based on the British EYFS guidelines. We follow a structured, play-based curriculum for all age groups, which focuses on their learning journey as much as the outcomes that they produce. We are passionate about encouraging creative, independent, curious children who will go on to school with confidence, joy and a real love of learning.
When I grow up, I want to be a vet. When I grow up, I want to be a ballerina. I want to be a wizard like Rainbow. I want to be a doctor.
Our children, no matter how young, explore their world with inquiring minds and learn to ask questions and find solutions.
We are Jigsaw Nursery.